Hi, me again. So, I'm feeling shit about myself, and when you feel shit about yourself, it's time to give yourself a makeover. How to be happy. Everyone loves a good, clean, shaven balls. Let's cover the girls, because no one wants to see the nips. So let's do this. Done. Step 2 to happiness. I just done my tax return for uniform tax. Hopefully I should get about £200 back. I never knew that was such a thing, uniform tax. It's weird. Like, I wash my clothes, so I want to get paid for it, bitch. Thanks. I'm home. The key to happiness, number 3. Don't ever leave your house because people do want to talk to you, and that's not Gucci. Another step to happiness. Buy loads of nice fizzy drinks and chocolate. This saves everything. Chocolate fizzy drink, lay on the sofa, and then watch too much Netflix. Your mind is rested for the day, you can concentrate on things, and then when you come out of your state of pit of leave me alone, I don't want to speak to anyone, you'll be refreshed and ready to speak about something. Because Netflix is life. Netflix is the key to conversations. Key to happiness? I can't remember what number I'm on. Light a joss stick. I got ash in my eye. Why, you say? Because you'll get rid of the farts of the dogs in the house and they won't smell anymore and everything will be okay. So there we go. That is my key to happiness. I hope that helped you. Goodbye.